Hello friend, back again with Paskalis Place. On this occasion, I will make a way to overcome slow Windows 10 on a laptop or on a computer. When your Windows 10 is slow, there are several things that can cause it, friend. First, maybe your hard drive is old. For the most effective solution is to replace your hard drive with an SSD, friends. This is the most effective remedy if you want your Windows to be faster. Second song that causes your Windows 10 to be slow is possible because of the many viruses on your laptop or computer. Next, I will share tips so that your laptop can be smooth as before. Just go to the tutorial immediately. The file that we will clean is the one in the recycle bin. Maybe some of you are not aware that if you delete a file directly, you press the delete button, or maybe click and you select delete, the file will not be permanent delete from your computer or laptop, but the file will be stored first in the recycle bin, and when the recycle bin gets full, it will add up this C and will slow down for a long time. Then you just click and then you select import the recycle bin. Fine, then select yes, and all trash files in the recycle bin will be permanently deleted. That we will clean is the one in the friend folder. The way you press Windows plus R, then you type them, you enter. Click continue. Wait. Then here you press Ctrl A to select all the junk files. Then you press and delete, then you select yes to delete the files in the temp folder, friends. Information like this you can do this for all current items, then you select skip. Same as before. Then you press Windows plus R again. Then you type in %10%, friends. After that you enter. Then here there will be a lot of junk files that accumulates on our PC or laptop. For the same way, guys, press Ctrl A, the click sorry click yes. If the same information appears as before, do let it talk you. Then the next beragam file that we will clean is in the prefix folder. Your friend press Windows again, then you type prefix, then you enter, and then you continue. The file in the previous folder actually functions to speed up when we open the application file, so it will ready when application we use often, and when we open the application we also often it while speed up loading friends. And actually, if we delete these files in this folder, it will actually make when we open the application we often use it becomes slower than before we delete the files in this folder file. For those of you who want to return your PC or laptop to the way it was before, you can delete all the file in the previous folder later. The file will also appear again along with how often you use your PC or laptop. Okay, here we delete everything. You press Ctrl A, then you hold down the Shift key and then press the delete button. Then you select it if the information comes out like this. Then do the same thing. Okay, those are my short tips how to overcome slow Windows 10 on a computer or laptop. I hope it's useful for all of you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.